Hey, Tom Cruisen coming at you here again today. Today we're going to be installing some side mirrors supports that's going to make it a little more stable to stop them from vibrating. Let's see what we got. Okay, what comes in the bag here is just 6 new supports, okay, for you. They go on, they replace the old ones. You see there's a little wobble in here. This one's not that bad. Okay, you can see it going up and down. But come over here to this side, and we're moving quite a bit. So we're gonna take those mirrors out, and we're gonna change them all out. We'll show you how to get that done. All right, stay tuned. This is gonna be good. All right, first thing we have to do, come over here, take off this back cover. What I've got is some trim tools for the car. They're plastic so they don't scratch up anything. There's just 3 clips here that you have to get. Get a bigger one. Yeah. There's 2. We'll get it. There it is. If you see, there's just these 2 clamps here, and there's 1 clip here. All right, so that's how that comes out. All right, next you're going to need your T20 Torx. There's a Torx right here that you just unscrew it. And then you take your mirror mount out. Okay, once you have that out, you lift up and out, and the mount comes off. Now again, you get your T20, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4 of them that you have to take out. Right. These pour out, and then the mounting plate comes out. Alright, take the 3 new mounting bolts, one here at the top. Get one of the nuts to go down, just to snug it up a little bit so you don't lose it when you're putting in the other ones. And then one here. And your third one goes at this hole. Now you take your 8mm deep socket and just tighten them up. Don't want to make them, you want to make them tight enough to stay there, but you don't want to make them too tight that you're going to break something. Make them nice and snug. Alright, so there's your new mount. Well, you got your 8mm in your hand. You can go and take the old mounts, these 3 pins, out. You got a 10mm over on this side to hold it so it doesn't turn when you're doing your 8mm. That's the one. That's your second. And now the third. Alright, that's all 3 of them off of the mount. Okay, so now you take this, get your 4 T20s and mount that back onto the bike. So we'll go do that now. Alright, you got your mounting plate. Okay, and the 4 screws that you took out. I'm going to go back in where they came from. Snug these back down. These four are tight. Your plate. Go back and get your mirror mount. Okay, and they go over your new it's got to get adjusted out a little bit. This one here is a little too close. Now just move it out a little bit for the adjustment. And a little bit more. All right, there you go. All three of them lined up. Just had to make a little adjustment on it. And you put your 3 nuts on. Right. And back here, a little challenging. There we go. It's on a little bit of an angle, but you can get it in and on. Let's tighten this one up some. Right. There you got it. All nice and snug. Now, take your mirror again. Get that here. And then with your T20 that you took out, there you go. Then you would repeat You repeat everything for the other side the same way. You just put the back cover back on and you're all set. Your mirrors are a little more secure than what they were. Alright, the mirror supports are all done. Both sides are all finished up. I also took the opportunity here to do some side view mirror lights. That's why you're going to see some lights on there now. There's another video coming out with that. So here's this one. There's no movement whatsoever on it. And now this side over here, same thing. Okay? So now that's the side mirror supports. We changed them all out. Thanks for watching, guys. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep on riding.